This segment is sponsored by Trey Harrell Law. It's another edition of Trey Helps. Attorney Trey Harrell joins us again with some of the best stuff, as always. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, how have you been?
I've been good. You having a good summer?
I am. How'd it go? You did the Uber voucher for 4th of July.
Yeah.
How did that go?
We had 193 people claim the
gosh.
voucher. Yeah, it was one of the biggest ones we've had other than New Year's. We're pumped about it.
Yeah.
You know, hopefully we prevented somebody from doing something stupid.
Yeah, 193.
That's the goal.
That's fantastic. Think of how many people you helped.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of one of those things, we talked about this before, that I'd rather spend our marketing dollars helping the community than some flashy billboard or some crazy commercial. So that's kind of why we do what we do with that. And, you know, we'll do it again, you know, for my favorite holiday, remember?
Yes.
Opening weekend of college football. That'll be the next one. Best holiday of the year.
It's not on my radar at all, but I'm excited for you.
Yeah, well, thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you're excited for me.
Really
that
excited.
feels good.
Any of you at home really excited about that.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, we were talking during the commercial break. Today you're going to touch on car accidents. And I don't know the answer to this question. If you are in an accident, even if it's minor, say like a fender bender, and you have a child in the car seat, do you need to replace that car seat?
Most manufacturers say you do.
Okay.
Now the question is that the manufacturer trying to sell another car seat?
Sure.
Or is that something that needs to happen? For me, I don't care because that's my kid and it's hard enough to get them in that car seat anyway. Let's make sure that it's safe once we get them in there. And so it's kind of one of those things that if you're in an auto accident and your kid was in that car seat, that is really something you need to look into.
Right.
And even if your kid wasn't in the car seat, because if it's strapped down and it's jolted, you want to make sure those straps are still strong and all that stuff, because I mean, it's your kid.
Yeah.
Like, what other job do you have than to protect your kid, right?
So rule of thumb, any type of auto accident, kid in the car seat or not, we still want to replace it.
You should really seriously look at replacing it.
And does insurance cover that cost?
That is a debate.
Okay.
The way that we look at it is it's not an accessory in the car.
Right.
It's part of the car. So if it's involved in the auto accident, it's damage. Right. It's damage to the vehicle. It's considered under property damage. And so it's something that we really think about it. I mean, if an insurance company is going to replace your bumper, shouldn't they replace your booster seat?
Right.
Right? I mean, it kind of goes hand in hand with that.
It's been a while, but car seats are expensive.
They are expensive.
I have no idea what they cost now.
Yeah, and that's the other thing. Whenever you buy a car seat, or if you're buying a car seat for your kid who's having a kid or anything like that, make sure you maintain the receipt and maybe even buy it online so that you have that, what the value of it is, so that we can get that to give to the insurance company. Because when you provide them with the documentation, they don't normally fight it on a car seat.
Okay, good to know.
So but you got to have the right documentation.
Right,
you just say, this is my car seat, I need to replay. Yeah.
I paid this much 2 years ago, et cetera. So I know a lot of people still traveling. It's only July. Before we head out in the car on a long road trip, do you have any advice for parents?
Yeah. We learned this the hard way when we were driving down to Disney this summer. You need to pack enough snacks to feed a small army.
I know that. Yes.
Right? Because it's just they're just always wanting something. And here's the other thing.
They're like little monsters.
They're like little monsters. I love them, and they're great, and I want them safe in their car seat.
For being so small, they eat so much.
The other trick that we use when you're going to Florida, you can bribe them with Buc-ee's.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good point.
See, you can say, hey, if you don't be quiet, we're not going to stop at Buc-ee's. And the best part about going down to Florida is there's 2 Buc-ee's on the way to Disney. So you can use the first Buc-ee's as, y'all didn't behave, we're not going. You better get good before we'll go to the next one.
But you know there's another one.
You can negotiate with them and do that. But I tell you, I love Buc-ee's. It is the best microcosm of America. They sell everything. The gas is cheap, and the bathrooms are clean. What more do you want from a gas station?
I went to Buc-ee's for the first time in my entire life in May. It was I used the bathroom. We got some gas. It was overwhelming though.
What was your favorite thing at the Buc-ee's?
I don't know. I didn't get anything. It was just like I wandered the aisles. There's so much.
You got to go with
I think the kids got snacks.
At Buc-ee's, you got to go with a Dr. Pepper slushie and a brisket sandwich.
Ew.
It's terrible for you.
I'll take your advice.
It's absolutely terrible for you, but it is delicious.
It's like opening day. You can have all that. You can have the Dr. Pepper slushie.
I can have the Dr.
Do you have the Buc-ee's t-shirt though too?
We actually have a full-on Buc-ee's pajama set that my son wears. I'll have to put the pictures up on Trey Helps social media.
Please do.
But it's adorable. Yeah. And go check that out, and we'll show it to everybody.
I feel like we found your Halloween costume for this year, potentially.
Might have to be.
Trey is Buc-ee.
Might have to be.
I can't wait. Thank you for being here. Always good to see you.
Good to see you.
Where do people find you for more information?
Oh, you can go to @TreyHelps on any social media, TreyHelps.com. or just come by our office in Herald Square.
You're all over. Thank you. As always, Trey
thank
Helps.
you.
Follow him on social as well, treyhelps.com. We're going to take a break. We've got more Lowcountry Live right after this.